Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the base data recovery software in 2025. If you have accidentally deleted files, wiped a data driver, or lost your data after a crash, these free tools might just save the day. Here are the top 5 free file recovery tools worth checking out. First app is Recuva. It's still one of the most beginner-friendly tools around. Whether it's photos, documents, or entire folders, Recuva scans deep and brings back files from the hard drivers, memory cards, and even USBs. Just launch it, pick the file type and location, and let it work its magic. Next, we got PhotoRig. Despite the name, it recovers far more than photos. It's an open source, powerful, and works across multiple platforms. The interface is basic, but it's perfect for those who want raw recovery strengths over a sleek UI. Coming in strong is EasyUS Data Recovery without free. This one offers a clean interface and quick scans, with a generous free charge for basic recovery needs. Great for restoring from formatted partition or lost folders. Another solid choice is Disk Trio. It offers a modern UI, preview option before recovery, and support over 400 file types. The free version lets you recover up to 500 megabits, which is great for quick saves. Lastly, Windows File Recovery by Microsoft. It's a command line tool, but don't let that scare you. It's a lightweight, powerful, and built directly by Microsoft for recovering files from NTFS, FAT, and EXFAT drivers. Each of these tools has its own edge. Some are better for deep recovery, others for speed and ease of use. So, depending on your situation, one of them will definitely get the job done. And thanks for watching. If this helped you to find the right recovery software, please like the video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more data recovery tutorials and guides. See you in the next time.